Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in OpenCart, especially for the customer side without necessarily being a coder, okay? So to do that, first you need to log into the dashboard, and then you need to go to design and then the language editor. So for this particular part, I had already edited two, so I'll just delete them. Then let me refresh this side. So you can see by default, the featured module has this title featured. So I want to change it to something like editor's choice or sponsored, something like that. So to do that, first you need to select the store and then the language. So if you have multiple languages, you need to take care of that. And then you need to select the appropriate route. So route, in this case, it will be under extension. So most of the extensions are under extension. If they come by default, they are under extension OpenCart. And then now you can check the type. In this case, it's a module, and then the name of the module is featured. Okay, so what we want to change is the heading title. That's what renders this part. Okay, so by default it's called featured. Now for this particular video, I just want to change it to sponsored. So let's save that and then refresh. So as you can see, we now have it as sponsored. Let's actually also change to the one for bestsellers. So to do that again, just go back to language editor, add new, and then we need to also check the route. In this case, it will be extension OpenCart module bestseller, and the name, the key is heading title. The default name is bestsellers, and this one we want to change it to this week top sellers. Okay, so save that, and then I'll just refresh, and as you can see, we've changed the title to something different. So that is how you can change the text without changing the code. Okay, now if you want to revert back to the original text, just come to the language editor and then select the one that you are not interested in at the moment, and then delete, and it should go back to the default, which is, for this case, it's the best sellers. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.